distinguished guests, special guests, chief guests, delegates, and panelists. Welcome to my presentation. I have chosen and given the topic of role of dairy automation in food safety. I should first thank you to ICC for giving the opportunity to us and arranging this wonderful conference and giving the opportunity to during this pandemic it's very difficult to travel to the customer and to stakeholders. So it's very good. They are arranging this for networking and sharing the knowledge. Thank you very much. So I'll move to the topic. This topic is really very huge. The food safety and automation is a huge topic, and it's very difficult to cover in 10-15 minutes time. And we have diversified audience, maybe from the college and very specialists, doctorates, technologists, and secretaries. So I will try to make it very interactive and useful to all of you. I will not talk about the neurology today. I will talk more about my topic. Just to start with, we are the leading global provider of process solutions and automation to food. When I say food, it mainly covers dairy and beverages, ready to eat, and pharma and cosmetic. Our corporate office and manufacturing facilities in Pune, and clients are across the world: Southeast Asia, Gulf countries, Africa, USA. So I'll just touch upon, these are the topics I will touch upon. So what is the food safety? Important drivers of the food safety, growing concerns for food safety, threats to the plant, role of dairy automation in food safety, and what we do in that. So let us see what is the food safety. See, assurance that food will not cause harm to consumers when it is prepared or eaten according to its intended use. It's very, very simple, the food safety. But now the whole world is more cautious and concerned about the food safety, and it is a prime importance to all of us to be care about it. So let us see what are the drivers for food safety. We know this during this pandemic time, we have seen that people's consuming habits are changing very much. People are more cautious about the proper food. So in coming future, definitely the packaged food will be more important and the safe food will be more important. So that is one thing. The consumer organizations across the world, they are more concerned about it. Media is now very strong. The media is something they do the good advertising of the food safety and also criticize if something is going wrong. They are very good. Retailers organization are very active, BRC and the global organization. So legislation and standards, a lot of countries now they have very strict norms of the for the food safety. India is also coming up very fast. Food industry organizations like all of us, EHEG or CIA, IDF, they are driving and helping industry to improve on the food safety. So let us see what are the concerns with this food safety. So threats to consumer health and threats to the plant. Threats to the plant means the threats to the consumer. So these are some of the few microorganisms we can say that, and this is a mainly culprit to the human being and food safety. So this start when how a cow grows, what it eats, it starts from there. If a cow eats the good food or good grass, if it doesn't, then it is a problem. The milking, if it is not properly done, it's a problem. If it is milk is not transported properly to the dairy, it's a problem. If the milk is not processed properly, it is a big problem. And if it is not distributed to the consumer till the, so because of all this, entire chain, these are the things which can create a big problem to. Let us see what are the threats to the plant. So these are the major few of the threats. You can say that these are the problematic. Unhygienic or improper the plant design itself is not properly, or the equipment is not properly designed. There is no proper drainage in the plant, or the improper plant layout is not good. That also it's a big problem. Improper raw material supply, like milk, is a main raw material to dairy. So these are the things which really, if you see, automation cannot play a big role in this, particularly this basic design. But these are the factors where automation really plays and is playing very, very important role. You can say that improper, let us see what is this. Improper monitoring and the control of CCP is very, very important. Human ignorance is something you cannot avoid. It happens. It's a human being. Mixing of the CIP solutions in the product is a big threat to the plant. Backward investigation of the market complaints, it's a big threat. If something happens in the market, how to identify, how to check it, what is going wrong? It's very difficult nowadays. Manipulation in production. So this is also something concern to the dairy plants. The product losses, increasing product cost, low efficiency, unplanned breakdowns, excessive ETP load. These are the threats to the plant. Let us see now the role of automation in the food safety, how the automation plays the important role to reduce these threats in the plant. So why automation for the product safety? The issue with the product quality, as I mentioned previously, the CCPs are properly monitored and controlled with the automation, and it is a consistently without fail, 24 hours, and then no manipulation happens in that. So that's an important role automation plays. Reduce the operator dependency, since the automation is independent of the skill of the operator. It performs very consistent operations with a safe interlock in place. Even operator decides to make the mistake, automation will not allow. Avoiding the mixing of the CIP solutions and product. This is something important, that the special walls which take care of this, avoiding this mix operations and doing the simultaneous operation. This traceability, this I was talking about, the backward investigation. That means if something happens in the consumer, there in automation, there is a proper system which can track from the consumer to the dairy farm, with different unique IDs inside the automation. Avoid manipulation in the production and QC. This is very important. Operator, otherwise, he can fill whatever he fills the data on the log sheets. It will not happen in automation, since the automation, it directly senses from the field and use it in store in the database. So no manipulation happens. Then proper reporting is possible. Reduced production losses, since the manual operation involved, so it takes a lot of time to make it. In automation, just by one click, the operations can happen very smoothly.
Mr. Gore, please conclude in another 30
Yeah,
seconds.
I know. It's I'll finish in time, sir. Low efficiency, plant efficiency. That is something. Utilization of the equipment happens very properly. Reduced unplanned breakdowns. Automation will prepare the maintenance schedule for dairy, which will help in reduced the ETP load. So here is the neologic vision for food safety. We commit to provide the automated processing solutions for food industries for safe food. Our solutions are very simple, hygienically and automated. And we at Neologic meets all the requirement of the food safety in our plants. So as I mentioned, no, so let us see, these are the typical, you can say the automation software features what Neologic offers and how it relates to the food safety. I'll just, in 1 minute time, I'll just explain this. Queuing function, something, one silo is finished production, automatically it takes over this second silo without stopping. So it reduces the time, increases the efficiency. Interlocks is something related with the operator mistakes cannot be done. The flushing, it improves the productivity and reduce the ETP load. Alarm handling, event logs and errors are related with the reports and all that. So these things are automation features, and which are with these basic features, we see that we achieve that product safety at a great extent. So let us see very short Neologic in automation. So we execute many automated dairy projects for our customers. So this is the one example what we supplied the automated dairy plant to Dodla Dairy in Hyderabad. So these are the highlights. The plant is fully automated with the mixed room wall design for the processed milk and all the byproducts. Recovery of the milk with the ASI bus, all the walls, the latest control technology and IO configuration. These are the, I will just go through quickly to the photographs. This is the raw milk handling section. This pasteurized milk handling section. This is a typical wall cluster design, which helps isolating the milk, the CIP solution and product. The pasteurizers, which pasteurize the milk. This is one of a photo of the process hall. Cream handling section, curd handling section, ice cream section. Rinse milk is very important in dairy. The cleaning system is important. All the operations happens from the central control room. Our automation is very well versed with the Industry 4 compatible. About us, the topic is I have covered a lot. I'll just very quickly tell you about what is Neologic. So we are engineering company and giving this process solution and the equipment supply, the entire plants to these verticals, the dairy, beverages, food. The main revenue comes from this vegetable, fruit and vegetable, pharma and cosmetics. So we work in these sectors. These are our clients, few of the clients. When we say the dairy segment, the milk dairy and the entire byproducts, everything, aseptic milk processing. We are the first manufacturer of the aseptic storage tanks and technological upgradation of the process automation. We try to build every process in the modular form. So that's why we have many modular systems, and which helps to great extent to maintain the quality of the equipment and the quick execution time. We have the entire infrastructure needed to execute the big project. So the SAP-based system, manufacturing facility with ISO certification, good technical staff, different kind of softwares needed for design. We have standardized automation libraries, regional presence. We have very structured competence mapping and developing the people. And I just close it with one statement to all of my friends that this automation is something very important for the dairy industries. When revolution happened, so that time the main focus was to increase the dairy production. Now there will be more focus on the food safety, and that's where we play a very important role. And to execute such automation system for the brownfield projects or the existing plant where the millions of milk is handled every day, every hour, and it's very, very difficult. It is a very crucial to upgrade the plant with the fully automated system, and that needs a lot of competence, process knowledge, and the automation competence. Where the Neologic, we are well equipped with that, and we are doing the such work every year. Many projects we are doing that. I thank you very much to ICC, and I hand over this mic to my friend BP Rao. Thank you very much.